Hey everybody, so today I got something new. From one of my last couple videos, I've been talking about the Stylo 6. And today it finally came to Cricut and I got it. So here it is, LG Stylo 6. I got it in blue. It has Stylo 6 on this side too. On the back, the specs are gorgeous 6.8 full HD plus display, octa-core processing power and 4G LTE speeds, 13 megapixel plus wide megapixel plus another 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, 13 megapixel front camera, a built-in stylus to keep productive, and a fingerprint sensor for fast and secure device unlocking. This is in holographic blue. It's an exclusive color to Cricut. They also have silver, or they call it Titan Gray. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here it is. It already turned on right when I opened it. So let's go ahead and take it out. Put the phone aside. Then you have your Stylo 6 Quick Start Guide, your SIM tool, and your two other booklets. Put that up there. In here you have a LG, you have your brick, LG fast charge. Right here you have your charging cable. It seems to be Type-C charging. Well, and that's it, I think. Yep, that's it. Let's go ahead and put everything back. And just in time, the phone has turned on. So, like I said, this is the holographic blue one. Love the color I got on it. The triple cameras, your LED flash, fingerprint reader. On this side, you have your volume buttons and your Google Assistant button. Here you have your power button with a nice blue finish around the edges. On the bottom, you have your headphone jack, one of your mics, Type-C charging, one speaker. This is one of the two speakers. Your pen. And this pen is different from last year's Stylo 5, which I'm currently recording on this on. Instead of pulling out, it's push. It's like kind of like a ballpoint pen. See, it's a lot thicker and heavier. Insert just like a regular stylus from LG. But instead of just putting it in, you press it once and then press it again to close. So let's go ahead and lock it. So basically this has Android 10 on it. Let's test your camera. So the 13 megapixel plus, this is your portrait. The front camera. See what I'm recording on. Stylo 5. And instead of back buttons, it's like an iPhone kind of. Like the newer iPhones, the gestures. Swipe up to go to the home screen, swipe and hold for your recents. To go back, let's go back into the camera. You bring it over here and it'll go back. Up here is your 13 megapixel. Here, let's go into another app. There's your 13 megapixel camera. It has the notch display. Up here is your speaker, your second speaker. That flashing light is a proximity sensor. Like I said, it's a teardrop notch. It boots up with at least 66% battery. It has the pen features, has a bunch new things. Like, sorry, I'm trying to get this out with one hand. Has that knock on. So as knock on, if you press the volume button down twice, launches the camera. If you press the volume button up twice, it opens quick capture. And I dropped it. So this is one of those phones that you'd want a case on because the back is glass and it's very slippery. At other carriers you could get this in white. It's called Prism White. It has like a rainbow effect just like this one. But anyways, that's all for today. Bye guys. Have a great day. Bye.